Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate a function where I pass in two arguments. So I've included my header file and I have my main function, and I'm going to create a function prototype for this new function I'm going to create. It's going to be called Dean's age, and I'm going to pass in the age and then the season, and they're both going to be integers. And this is going to be my function prototype. Okay, I'm going to go down here, and below my main function, I'm going to create the function. So it's going to be Dean's age, and it's going to, again, take in the age and the season variables. And I'm going to create a local variable called result, which is type integer. And result is going to equal age plus season. And then at the end of this function, we're going to return the result. Okay. I'm going to go back up to my main function here, and I'm going to create three integers here: age, season, and result. Now, even though I've named this third variable the same as in the function, they are different variables. They are local to their each function. Okay. I'm going to set age equal to 26, and I'm going to set season equal to 6. Okay. Now I'm going to say result, and remember this variable is local to the main function. Result equals Dean's age when I pass in the age variable and the season variable. Okay, and then I'm going to print f, and I'm going to say Dean's age is, well, this is going to be the age variable, years old in season, and then we're going to pass in the season variable, and I'll put an exclamation point and a /n, and then I'll pass in the age and the season. And at the end of this function, I will return, the end of the main function, I will return 0. One thing I noticed, I should have this as 25 because in season 1 he's 26, and the way we calculate this is we calculate the resulting age from his initial age plus the season. Okay, so I'm going to save this, and I'm going to open a terminal here, and let's get this a little bit larger. And we're going to output Dean's age. And now let's run Dean's age. And we see that Dean's age is 25 years old in season 6, so there is some error we made with our logic. Because instead of the age, we should have passed in the result. I'm sorry. So we should have passed in the result here, which will give his current age in season 6. So let's resave that. And now let's reopen eShell. And let's recompile and rerun. Okay, that makes more sense. Dean's age is 31 years old in season 6. So sometimes you have to look, and sometimes you'll make a logic error, and you have to look for where the logic error is in your program. There was no syntax error for me to pass the age in, but it was a logic error. I should have been passing the result in for what I was trying to output. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really does help the channel grow. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.